Maybe yesterday's one, you can take up an exercise. Select this country drop down. Okay, you can practice that, or city drop down. You can practice with that one, and I will show you with the selected class how to do also. First, let's write this. Open a google.com. Call all the browser methods. Verify the page title. So type the Selenium keyword in search edit box. Submit on the search edit box. Verify the search results page title. Verify the search results count text is present in the web page or not. So basically it's an element, right? So search results count text is an element, and verifying this element is present or not. I'm going to use expected conditions class and wait for this element. How to wait, I'll show you that. Fetch the search results count text. So you need to get the text from the web page. So any text, if you want to fetch, you need to use the get text method. Then extract only the count from the text. Click on Selenium link in the search results page. Then verify Selenium website home page title. Click on Downloads tab. Verify the Selenium downloads page title. Navigate back to previous page. Verify Selenium website home page title, because from downloads to home page you are navigating here, 12th step. And then verify whether you reached the home page or not. So navigate to download page again. So you have to use navigate.forward to home page to downloads page. And verify the Selenium downloads page title. So verify the downloads page title. So all these scenarios you need to write a code for them. So that's why in the manual test steps you should know if you want to create the automation test cases. So if you know the flow, then it's going to be easy to create them. And let's see how to do that. How can we automate this? Let me write a code for this. And I'm going to create, maybe I'll use now ready for, the Firefox browser. We already used Chrome, right? Let me use Firefox browser. Next, we'll see Edge browser. So all the browsers will cover in each test case. So now this is the Google search test. So take the main method, and here, so you need to create first WebDriver. So driver equal to new Firefox driver. If you want to use Firefox browser, you have to use a Firefox driver class. So WebDriver is interface import. Firefox driver is a class, import it. And then, so you need to maximize the browser. Maximize the browser, right? As clear steps. So this also comments you write so that people can understand easily. So launch the browser. So maximize the browser. So whatever you are doing, that comment, then code you write. Driver dot manage method dot window method dot maximize. So then add implicit wait. So driver dot, so manage method dot timeouts method dot implicitly wait of, so duration dot of millis. So I'm going to give 10,000. That means 10 seconds. Okay, so that's the one thing. And next we need to add explicit wait also. I'll add here itself. Explicit wait object. So you create an explicit wait object, WebDriver wait, right? WebDriver wait. So wait equal to new WebDriver wait. So here you need a driver object. That's why first one is a driver object. Second one is a duration class of seconds. 30 seconds. I'm giving 30 seconds. So you import this WebDriver wait. Still I'm in the initial stage only. Now I'm going to launch the application in the browser. So how to do that? Driver dot get of URL. So just give https://google.com. So you can just copy all these steps. Open the google.com. So that is done. Call all the browser methods. So you already explained this. I don't want to waste time here. Okay. I'll call all the browser methods. So previous test case, I'll just take all of them. So I don't want to waste time on these simple things. So that we already did. I'll save some time here for them. Okay, so that test case, Control Shift format. So next, you need to verify the page title. Verify the Google page title. So already we got the page title, but we didn't verify. So verify means you need to use a wait object. Let's do that. Verify the page title. First write this step, then below code. So the test case step, below you write the code. So wait dot until expected conditions dot expected conditions dot, and you have to write title is. So title is maybe you can give T. So driver dot get title you are getting, right? You can pass that. Okay. So see, this variable you are using here as a argument to the another method. So that is all. Right. Next. So that is done. What is the next step? Type the Selenium keyword in search edit box. So write this. So where is the search edit? So open the google.com. I want to open google.com. See, now this is the page title and this is the search edit box. Inspect element. So you have a, see, this is the text area box and you have a name, ID is there. There is a name also. Name Q. Name Q. So driver dot find element by dot name, that is Q dot send keys, and you give the, so what is he asking to type? Selenium. Just type Selenium. So after that, what is the next step? Submit on the search edit box. You submit. So you can use one is submit method, okay? Or you can use send case method only. You have to use send case method. You can use, you can send the enter key. Excuse me. So once you type, you will press enter key, right? That you can send with a send case method. So both I will show you, but which one you want, you can use it. Both are correct. So the one is submit method. I'm going to show this. Just calling that dot submit. This one I covered the send case method. I have covered the submit method also. Now let me show you with the submitting with send case method. So what I'm sending? So keys dot enter key I'm sending. So I'm using, so with send keys, using, submitting with send keys and or otherwise plus keys dot enter. So that's what I'm using. So same dot send keys. Keys is the enum. Enum inside we have a enter key method. Enter key is a key, the constant. So either one only you have to use. You should not use both. Okay. So I'll comment out this. Whenever you need, you can enable it. You can try with submit method. You can try with this one. So one time you run with this, one time you run with this. Both are working or not, you can check it. That's the other way also I have shown you. Next. So verify. Okay. After submitting, you need to verify the search results page title. It will go to search results page title. Let me show you that. Manually also you test it. See that. Now we are in the Google page, right? Google page title. I'm going to type Selenium. Now submit. See, I'm pressed enter key. Now see page title has changed. See, it's still loading. This is the wait time. Selenium doesn't wait if you don't tell that. So that I am waiting. So let's get this page title. Header tag inside. We have a title tag. So I'm going to wait for this. So wait dot until expected conditions dot title contains. Title is I already used. Now I'm using title contains. So this is the one. See, this is the one. I am waiting for this page title. Make sure you have taken from the header tag what title is there, what you typed. So don't write on your own. Copy from HTML source code. Make sure you copy from HTML source code. Okay. Now, okay, that step is done. What is the next step? See, I was talking about this. This is the search results text. Wait for this search results text. See what is the object identification. You have a div ID. So I will use ID. I will wait for the element, this search results text element. That's the here also. Verify search results count text in the web page or not. So copy and paste it here. So first comment, then code. So what is the code? This one. Dot presence of element located. Can you see this? Presence of element located. Any element if you want to wait. So what is the method you need to call? Presence of element located. So by dot ID. So and you pass the ID value. So ID value we have seen in HTML. So this is the ID. Copy this ID and paste it here. So any flow you want to write, this is the methods you should know. So all the methods, if you are aware of the methods, see why it is throwing error. See how many brackets you opened. 1, 2, 3. But how many you closed? Only 2. So add one more bracket. Close the one more bracket. That's the way you can check why you are getting error. First, try to understand the error. Read the error. So that it will be very easy for you to solve. Next. So you need to get the text. So that's what they follow the steps. So very clearly I have written the steps. Fetch search results text and extract it. Extract, I'll do that. First, let me get that first. I need to get right from the web page into my program. Then only I can manipulate that text how I want it. So first you need to get that. So to get that itself, so getting is this one. So extraction is I'll do the next step. First this step I need to do. how to fetch a text from web page. So using get text method. So what is the get text method syntax? String txt equal to driver dot find element. So by dot css selector. I used id. Now I'm going to use css selector, and within double quotes, div tag name hash id value. This is the id value. This is the id value. See, I'm using css selector also. Dot get the text. That's it. So now you got the text into this variable from this element. You got the text with the get text method and is stored here. Right? So this is the how you can get the text. Okay, so now print if you want, you can print it. What is the text you got it? Okay. So search results text is okay, so typo. Okay, so this one, so extract it. So what is the extraction you need to do? That text, suppose you got the text here, right? So I'm just putting in the comment so to understand that more. So suppose this is the text you are getting here. What is the text? This one you're getting this text. So take that. It's a string. So you put in the double quotes, right? String means it is in the double quotes. Now what I am expecting here, this number. But this is not a number, string format number. How can you extract this? So that's what here, the step you extract only count. This is the count. This is the entire one text only, one string value. But how can you get this one? So to extract that, this is the string. So I found there are many words. All the words I need to split. Then you get this value from the string array. So if you use a split method, on what basis you need to split? Every word after you have a space. Every word after space is there. That's your delimiter. Based on the space, you split this entire string and then you will get them into string array. So let me write that. Use split method. Split method of a string class, and delimiter is space. So which returns string array, which returns string array. All this is the things I already covered. So let's apply string array str equal to, so the string is now txt. So that text is txt string variable dot split method. So you can use a regular expression if you want. Small s is representing the regular expression. Small s is the regular expression which represent the space. Which represent the space. Okay, so you got the string array, all the words into wherever space is there. So this word will go and store in this string array. So let me tell you that also clearly, how this string array will be formed. Now it will form like this. See, first word came into first place of array. Second, where is the next space? This one. So the space before whatever the word is there, that will go and place in the next space of array, next position of the array. Next. So this is the next space is there. Results array. Next. This one. Next. This one. Okay, so this is the string array, how you got it. Now, how can you get this value from array? How can you get that one?
Index number.
Index number, array of index number. That's it. So you always array first element in the 0 index, array second element in the first index, array third element will be in the second index, array fourth element will be in the third index, array fifth element will be in the fourth index. So now you got that, get the thing. So it's again a string str count equal to str of array dot str array of 0. Not 0, right? 1. We want 1. See, that I assign to this variable. String, so such results text count is str count. That's it. But we need to convert this into number. How can you convert a string into a number? Now you need to see that there are commas. So with the commas, you cannot convert. First, replace this commas. How can you replace multiple same things in the string? Now this is the one string you got into string variable, this value. So how can you replace this commas? How can you replace? Which method you need to use? Are you guys there?
Yes.
Replace all method from string class. So all strings and Java, I already told. It's a Java class, Java methods. So everything methods only that you need to remember. So now I'll get another string. String str count raw. I can put a raw str count. Raw str count equal to. So this is the value here now. You can do here also, but I'm doing multiple steps so that you can understand clearly. replace all. So what you need to replace? I want to replace comma with empty. So I don't want anything with empty. So this is the one, replace all method. Okay. Now, so we need to print this, but maybe you can convert now. How to convert? Convert it into integer format. How can you do that? Integer or long format, right? If you want integer or long, whatever it is, it's a bigger one, maybe you can convert into long format. How can you do that? How can you convert string into string object into primitive int format? Primitive long format. So what is the formula? All these are bigger concepts, basic Java concepts. So we already told them. So all these concepts are missing. I don't know. So how we will know? Long count equal to, so long wrapper class dot parse long. So if these are not there in your mind, this is a very, very difficult task. So to do that, so that same thing I'm going to use. So this one I need to give. I need to pass that variable. If you want to print it, final search results count in int primitive format, long format, plus count. Okay, that's the one. Count. So that's it. So now what is the next step? Done. So this is the next step done. Click on Selenium link. So I'll click on Selenium link. So here you have a Selenium link here. So you need to click on this. So you get that. So already we have driver dot find element. So by dot xpath, I'll use xpath dot click method. So let's go and get this xpath. So H3. So you write the, so here we have a selector sub, right? You can use this. So I'm going to copy from here and let's use this. Otherwise you build it. Otherwise you build it. H3, normalize space this one. Okay, done. Next, what is the next step? Take the steps. That's a very important page title. So, and I'll take from here, we already did wait commands. So this wait commands I'm going to use. Expected conditions title is. So let me go and get the title by clicking on that. Go to the next page. Go to the HTML source code. Title. Where is the title? Title tag. Look for the title tag. So here is the title tag. That's it. So next, so click on downloads tab. So all this I'll take quickly and finish this one by one. Right? Next, this one. So this one we have just, you need to write the code for that. So here instead of X, no, you can build the XPath also if you want. So download, you need to click on that. So go click on download. This is the downloads. You need to click on that. So you will take a next path. Here also you have copy this. And so done. Next. So this is the one you need to do. Verify the Selenium downloads page title. So you have already, you just use this here. So you have to click on that, go and verify that. So go to the head tag and page title. Look for the page title. Copy it and paste it here. So then what is the next one? Navigate to the previous page, means home page. So write the code driver dot. So navigate method dot back method. So use the thread dot sleep sometime to give the breathing space for that. So and next, how do you know you went to that page? Just verify the page title. So that's the indication you went back there or not. So then Selenium home page, verify the Selenium home page title. So this one should come here. Next. So driver dot navigate. So this one navigate to next page. Just call forward method. Again, forward method, some wait time, and then verify the downloads page title. So this is the thread dot sleep. You add thread dot sleep. Next, you wait some wait time and then close the browser. Done. Test case is done. Okay. Now we'll run the test case. So let's run this. Working or not, you can see that. See, Firefox browser. Oh, it failed. So what are the failure? You can see that.